Alright, so again, in how to calculate your yield to maturity for the bond, this is just the same formula with your textbook earlier. Just it's a kind of more brief, lebih ringkas lah. Okay. I dekat sini adalah sama dengan formula in your textbook, which is this one. This is the whole I. Okay. This is the whole I. Okay. The coupon rate times par value divide by M. Okay, right? So I'll just stated this one as I. So what does it mean by I? I is the coupon payment in RM. Remember, I is the coupon payment in RM. So I'll give you example. Let's say the coupon, I'll erase this one. Okay. Let's say for this bond, the coupon payment is 5%. Okay, 5%. Okay, given the bond's coupon payment is 5% and the par value, of course, you have to remember the fixed par value for the bond is RM 1000 unless stated otherwise. Okay, if it's not given in the questions, okay, we'll assume that the bond par value is at RM 1000. Okay, so how do you calculate your I? Sorry, I caps lock. So I is the coupon payment in RM. So do not just simply put 5% over there. So your calculation will turns to the wrong one. Okay, so 5% you have to times by the par value of RM 1000. So you will get how much the coupon payment in RM. In your textbook, it's being divided by M. Am I right? But for this formula, it's simpler. I did not put any M. Okay. Over here, just remember, if the coupon is being paid once a year, per annually, per annum, so you just no need to divide by anything. If you just divide by 1, just the same one, right? But just remember, if the coupon being paid semi-annually twice, then you have to divide by 2. Okay, faham ya? Barulah kita bahagi dua. Jika coupon itu dibayar semi-annually. If it's stated the coupon payment is 5% per annum, so no need, right? So just once a year, right? So 5%, just simply times by RM 1000. So for the I, you will get RM 50. Okay, so this is for the I. Remember, many students will simply put 5%, so they will get the wrong answer. Okay, it's actually 5% times 1000. You have to change and convert this I into RM first, this coupon into RM first. So it's easier. If let's say I'm telling you the coupon payment is 8%, so how much will be over here? So 8% times RM 1000, of course, RM 80, right? Okay. Let's say if I change this one again, 12% per annum. Okay, so 12% times 1000, RM 120, right? Okay. I'm changing this one again, 14.5% per annum. So, right, so this one will be how much? For RM, if let's say 14.5% times RM 1000. Okay, so you will get 145, right? Okay, so I'll hope you understand how to calculate DI, or the one in your textbook is mentioned as CR times par divided by M. Okay, faham Lama kelamaan when you calculate, you dah macam you dah tengok soalan bond tu, whatever the coupon rate yang stated, like such as 10%, you dah tahu dah, okay, coupon payment 10%, of course kat sini adalah RM100. Right, sebab dah terbiasa dengan calculation tersebut, right? So, kalau if we change over here 6%, so you dah tahu dah dekat sini mesti RM60. Okay, 60. Okay, 6%. Right? Makin lama you buat, makin banyak soalan bond yang you buat, you akan familiar dengan how to get the coupon payment in RM. Okay? Okay, so this is the kind of example dulu, right? And let's take a look at next part. Okay, after that you have to plus, tambah par value minus MP, iaitu par value minus market price divide by N. So this total of par value minus market price bahagi dengan N. N adalah maturity date for the bond. Okay, let's say I'll give you another example. Par value will still the same. We'll assume as RM1000. Let's say the market price given is RM900. Okay, dan N adalah maturity. Okay, let's say given is 10 years, for example. Okay, 10 years. Right? So, for this one, you have to calculate. Okay, I'll continue over here. So, I'll continue this formula. Okay. So, it will happen like this one. So, let's say for the first example, the coupon rate is 5%. Coupon rate is 5%. This is if you want to calculate the I earlier times 1000, right? This is just a kind of example. The one that I want to show is this one. Okay, this one. This PV minus MP divided by N. Okay, so how much? So it will become over here par value still 1000. You have to minus the market price of RM900. Okay, calculate this one first and then divide by how many years is the maturity? Okay, 10 years, right? Divide by 10, right? So how much will you get over here? So 5% times 1000 RM. Sorry, I'll put RM, it's easier for you to differentiate. RM50 plus. Okay, so it will become over here, of course, 1000 minus 900 is equal to 100, sama dengan 100 kan? Bahagi dengan 10 tahun maturity. So, you divide by 10 years of maturity, so you will get 10. Am I right? Sorry, you will get 10 over here, okay? So, this is the on the top of the formula. So, 50 plus 10. Okay. And this is how you calculate the second part. This one. Right. Okay. This one. Macam ni. Right. Sorry. Divide by 10 this one. Okay. 10 tahun maturity. Right. Itu adalah example sahaja. Okay. Dan keseluruhannya tadi, yang kita calculate tadi, you have to divide by, again, par value plus market price divide by 2. Divide by 2 ni memang dah kita simplify according to the formula, the mathematical way, yang mana kita nak simplifykan balik, right? And then the whole things tu you bahagi 2, right? Kat atas ni ingat tolak, dekat bawah ni adalah tambah. So again, what happens over here adalah you kena bahagi dengan the whole thing. Okay. Par value plus market price divide by 2. Kan? So I underline this one to show that it's dividing, bahagi dengan this one. Okay. Right. So apa yang berlaku kemudiannya di sini, okay, adalah you kena divide the whole thing dengan par value. Par value 1000 plus market price given is 900 divide by 2. Bahagi 2. Sorry, yang ni jadi kecil. Saya besarkan sikit. Sama. Right. So, I'll underline this one to show that it's dividing. So, the whole yang ke atas ni, kita kena bahagi dengan this one. Which is inilah. 1000 tambah 900 bahagi 2. So, berapa? 1900 divide by 2. So, you will get 950. So, ke atas ni tadi, 50. Kan? 5% darab 1000 dapat 50. Plus, this one tadi kita calculate dah. Kita dapat 10. Kan? 1000 tolak 900 bahagi N 10. You dapat 10. Right? And then, bahagi dengan 950. This one. 1000 tambah plus 900 divide by 2. You akan dapat 950. So, I'll underline this one again to show that it's dividing or divide. This 60, you have to divide by 950. Okay. So, you akan dapat how much? 0.06316. Okay. And this is not the final answer. You have to change this figure into percentage. How? Just times 100 lah. Okay, tukar pada percentage times 100. So, you akan dapat around 6.316%. So, this is the YTM, yield to maturity for this bond. Right? Okay, I hope you boleh tackle untuk YTM ni. Okay. So, this is how you calculate according to this given formula. Right? Just the same thing in your textbooks as well. Sama sahaja. Right? Lama-kelamaan you akan biasa dan boleh buat lah. Okay. How about value of the bond? The value of the bond quite rare being asked in final exam. But this is how you calculate. Yang ni, you have to remember how to find the PVIFA and PVIF. Okay. So, value of the bond is kita mencari value sebenar bond tersebut. Katakanlah tadi, market price given adalah 900 kan. Harga pada par value adalah 1000. So, kita nak tahu how much is the value of the bond itself. Value sebenar dia, nilai sebenar dia. Adakah melebihi 900? Adakah kurang dari 900 harga market price dan sebagainya. So, that's why dia akan ask you untuk calculate the bond valuation. So, you akan dapat balik in RM lah last answer. I adalah sama, which is coupon payment in RM. You kena ambil coupon payment dia times 1000 and then find the PVIFA of IN. Normally, this I, required rate of return, akan diberi dalam soalan. And how much is the maturity? Refers to the bond's maturity. Don't forget to plus PV par value and PVIF of IN. I again referring to the required rate of return given in the questions normally, right? So, this is how you calculate valuation of the bond. So, you nanti akan dapat jawapan dia lah untuk value of the bond. But so far, mostly soalan yang keluar adalah YTM, right? Compared to the value.